Hey everyone, welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me guide you on how you can fix Apex Legends crashing or freezing issues. First, open Steam in your PC and then go to Library. Next, right click Apex Legends and then go to Properties and then Local Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to ensure no files are missing or damaged. Now, search for Windows Defender. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Hit Change Settings. Next, make sure Steam Allowed Apps and Features is in private and public. Then click OK. Update your graphics card drivers. Go to Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your driver. Update driver. And then search automatically. Optionally, visit your GPU manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.